More than 55 million people across the U.S. are under heat alert Saturday. Soaring temperatures already impacting the Central Plains, Midwest, and Northeast, as forecasts predict triple digits by the end of the weekend in some parts of the Pacific Northwest.
And that was Cole Higgins reporting for us. I think about this type of weather, they use those squeegees to clean the windows and stuff like that.
Yeah.
I mean, that dew point out there, that humidity, that air you could wear, it's like you just take one of those squeegees and just do this.
Yeah, exactly. Air you could wear, I like that. And that's so true. And really this summer has been unusually humid, at least in Cincinnati, which we could say is close enough to us. The National Weather Service office in Wilmington did look through the dew points through the summertime, and it was above normal. And we've been experiencing that as well. We've had dew points locked into the 70s multiple weeks in a row throughout our summer, and that is going to be the case as we head into our new week as well. So tomorrow, Monday, Tuesday, you're not going to get much relief. The dew points were in the upper 70s in some cities this afternoon, and the dew point is a good measure of how much moisture is in the air. Really, anytime it goes over 67, 68, you could feel the stickiness, and when it's in the 70s like that, it's almost like you could drink the air. So we're not going to catch that relief until we head into the middle and end of next week, and all of a sudden you'll be able to breathe a lot easier. Now, with the humidity and the heat, we hit 88 degrees today. We're going to be a little bit warmer tomorrow. It is a good forecast to get out and swim, and thankfully the rain chance tomorrow is actually even lower than today. Now, on Monday and Tuesday, we will see that increased threat for showers and storms. We had one thunderstorm that just kind of hung out there between Richmond and Winchester, Indiana. It has thankfully fizzled. Our last downpour in Darke County also has fizzled out. So as we head into our night tonight, we'll be back to dry conditions, just a few clouds and maybe some spotty fog. You can kind of see that haziness here in Troy. Temperatures are in the 70s still, though, so it's still very warm. The dew points, again, still up above 70, and again, it's nighttime. So we're not catching that relief or a nice cool down overnight. We'll get to 71. Tomorrow, as you're planning your day, hot, humid, very much so. We're going to have heat index values up to about 100, so that's how hot it will feel outside. And the UV index is up to a 9, so a sunny day as well. Looking at futurecast, we'll start off the morning with sunshine, just some fair weather clouds here or there during the day. After lunch, we've got the threat for a pop-up downpour, but you can see how limited the coverage is to our rain tomorrow. So that means even more cities will be able to stay dry. If you get caught under a storm in the afternoon, your best chance would be those late afternoon hours. The main threat is going to be isolated street flooding and lightning. As we start the new work week off, Monday, hot, humid yet again with passing thunderstorms. Futurecast shows that we will catch a good chunk of the day that stays dry, you can see. But as we get into those late afternoon hours, 2, 3 o'clock, we see those thunderstorms bubble up, and then we'll track the chance again on Tuesday for another round of rain. We're going to have a cold front that just slowly drifts in Tuesday, and so that's going to give us one last shot and maybe a little more organization to our thunderstorms so we can see some strong wind gusts with that. We'll dry out pretty quickly though by Wednesday, and this is the nice break I'm talking about, getting back to about 80 degrees all the way into next weekend, and yes, that's several days of sunshine.
The CDC is going to say we should go back to school relatively normally with minimal restrictions, and count me in.
Yeah, we're waiting to see the sorts of changes the CDC is planning when it comes to schools and COVID. Just might we see schools look a lot more like they did pre-pandemic? Take a look.